Jai Shriman Narayan. Welcome to my YouTube channel Madhav Microbiology. Myself Harshita Geherwar. Today I am going to share some useful and needful information with you all. It is a very useful to you in graduation aspect, that which graduation in which subject you might do in future. So today I am going to differentiate three subjects, that is microbiology, biotechnology and bioinformatics. So you always get information through this channel regarding to the biology. So today I am going to introduce these three subjects, that is microbiology, biotechnology and bioinformatics. So through these three subjects you might understand that in which subject you have interest, so you can go or prefer for it. So first I talk about the microbiology. What is microbiology? Microbiology is a study in which we deals with microbes. Microbes is our daily routine. हमारे डेली रूटीन में हम माइक्रोब्स के इंटरेक्शन में आते हैं. सो माइक्रोब्स का क्या इम्पैक्ट होता है, क्या इन्फ्लुएंस है, हाउ दे आर एडवांटेज के रूप में है, कैसे वो डिसएडवांटेज में है. सो हाउ दे वर इन्फ्लुएंस आवर डेली लाइफ, हाउ दे इन्फ्लुएंस आवर हेल्थ एंड हाउ दे गिव अस सो मैनी डिसएडवांटेजेस. सो ये सारी चीज़ें हम माइक्रोबायोलॉजी में पढ़ते हैं. माइक्रोबायोलॉजी इट्स अ वेरी वास्ट, इसमें बहुत वास्ट स्कोप आपको मिलता है. माइक्रोबायोलॉजी कवर सो मैनी सेक्शंस. इट इज़ नॉट हैव ओनली अ लिमिटेड कॉन्सेप्ट. Actually it is a very widely subject. It covers largely on pharmaceutical industry, on cotton textile, on food and confectionery and other many more. It is also used in the medicines like vaccines. Vaccine is introduced through the microbiology and many medicine investigation also. So like in microbiology, how we have a bright future with it. So many questions we have in our mind, how we have a bright future with microbiology if we done only BSc. No, we are not going to have only BSc in microbiology. We have to go with Bachelor of Science in Microbiology, Masters of Science in Microbiology, then a doctoral degree. Mark my point, doctoral degree or a PhD degree. These two things are the same, but PhD is must if we are in Masters of Microbiology, because every fruit we get after the so many struggles. So PhD is very important in microbiology and it gives you a bright future. So in microbiology, if we did these three things, then we have so many job aspect in future. Like in a medical universities we have job possibilities, government jobs are there, and laboratories head of the department, and last is not last, I think there were so many. So there was a line of jobs were waiting for if we have these three things and get pass out from all these things. So microbiology is very great. So don't have any take any of kind of negative impact of this subject. So it's a very vast and a very great subject. Now I come to the subject biotechnology. So biotechnology itself define what is it. It is a technology which is applied on human being in a very simplest way, I should say this. बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज़ को यूज़ किया जाता है जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स पे अप्लाइड होती है, ताकि हम पता लगा सकें चीज़ों के बारे में, इन्वेस्टिगेट इजीली कर सकें, चाहे वो डीएनए प्रोफाइलिंग हो, डीएनए जीनोमिंग हो, या कुछ और हो, रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी हो, या फिर कोई भी हो टेक्नोलॉजी, जैसे जीन मैपिंग हुआ. तो इस तरीके से हम बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में पढ़ते हैं. बायोटेक्नोलॉजी की जो स्कोप है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी ग्रेट. इट इज़ स्पेशली इन अब्रॉड, and it has as a biotechnologist in a government job and various sectors was open with. And as I said that Bachelor of Science is in microbiology, same Bachelor of Science in biotechnology, then Bachelors of Science, Masters of Science in biotechnology, then PhD. So it's very important being for the biotechnologist. So biotechnology is also great, and one important thing is that biotechnology and microbiology, these both the subjects are interrelated with each other, not an individual. Because in microbiology, most of the sections covered by microbiology, but especially the testing part, I should say, like the methods, like the DNA profiling, as I said, genomic. So these are done by the methods, and this method is applied through the microbiology. So these two subjects are interrelated with each other, not individual. Now I will go with bioinformatics. What is bioinformatics? Actually, it is a very interesting subject, and it is hardly introduced, I think, through back 8 or 7 years, and it's a very innovative subject. Actually, it is a quick combination of computer with science. Actually, we did the science with the biological, like diagrams and the cycles and all, because in microbiology we learn so many cycles, but in bioinformatics there was a no cycle, there was a computation analysis. So what is bioinformatics? So bioinformatics, it is the computational analysis of the interpretation of a biological data. So ये जो इस्तेमाल होता है इसमें सारे के सारे कंप्यूटर्स की थ्रू होता है, इसमें स्टोर किया जाता है, यूज़ किया जाता है, एनालाइज किया जाता है, एंड फिर उसको आगे चल के और प्रोसेस में लिया जाता है। अगर हम पूछें या पता करें कि बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स से हमें क्या फ़ायदे हैं, तो बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स एक बहुत ही एक कन्वीनियंट वे है अपने बायोलॉजिकल सिस्टम, बायोलॉजिकल टेस्टिंग को करना। इन इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट इट्स फ्यूचर एस्पेक्ट, देन इन बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स में आप laboratories, especially in abroad, it's a vast scope and a very positive. So if you go with the bioinformatics, then it is a proteomics maybe, and data storage, and so many other medical data storage, and medical in a database design, in so many others. So bioinformatics also a great subject. So through this video I introduced you these three subjects, and also I slightly differentiated with each other, so you can completely have a, I think not a completely, I think you have a short storyline or a short line, so that it will be very easier to you to know or convince yourself that which subject you should go for. Because some of times we get confused in between that we should go for biotechnology or we should go for bioinformatics or microbiology. So if we take any of these three, we have a bright future and a good future. So through this video I feel, or I hope, that you should you will like my channel, and you get your information from this channel. So please, if you like my video, so please like my video, and please subscribe my channel. This is my first video to this channel, and I hope you like my channel. So thank you so much.